Perched on a bluff overlooking the Connecticut River is an imposing castle that wouldn't look out of place in medieval Europe. However, this distinctly undomestic domicile is in East Haddam, Connecticut, and it once served as the home of William Gillette.
Very few people know who Gillette is today. He was most noted for being the original Sherlock Holmes. He was an actor, playwright, producer. He was known for being very eccentric, not only with his lifestyle, but as you can see, the castle itself.
Gillette purchased the land in 1914 and spent $1.1 million building the home, and spent 5 years personally overseeing the project. The end result was a castle that's as mysterious as the cases that Gillette's stage persona, Sherlock Holmes, investigated. The fortress-like home features a tower, and oddities fill the entire castle. Other anomalies include contraptions that would have been considered advanced for Gillette's day. The castle features 47 different doors, each with their own locking mechanism. It also has a system of mirrors with a specific purpose.
There was one that covers the entrance door, so Gillette could see who was coming and going at all times. Also one that would cover the liquor cabinet, so he could see who was touching the liquor cabinet.
Woe to the poor soul who tried to touch Gillette's liquor. He had the cabinet custom designed with several locking mechanisms to prevent people from accessing it.
He would come down, and you would notice that this is locked, top and bottom. He would simply come over, lift this peg, and find the hidden key, place it in the side of the bar, pushing the pin back down, which would actually open the liquor cabinet. To this day, we are not sure if it was built just for safety's sake or if it was to play jokes on his guests.
When Gillette died in 1937 with no heirs, the castle slowly deteriorated for 65 years. In 2002, after a multi-million-dollar renovation by the state of Connecticut, the castle was fully restored to represent what it was like during Gillette's day. And now, it's open to the public for tours. While no one lives on the property today, legends have arisen that the castle isn't entirely unoccupied, at least by the living. Some have claimed to have encountered the spirits of William Gillette and his gardener on the premises, while others have reported experiencing cold spots, a frequent indicator of paranormal phenomena. Whether it's a physical manifestation or simply the property's strange history, Gillette Castle has a spirit all its own.
I do believe Gillette Castle to be strange. Both Gillette and the castle complement each other. There's attention to detail. It's just very majestic at times, humorous, if you will. They are two in the same, and there is nothing like them in the world.